Good evening, good afternoon. My name is Boyan Simic. I am a principal analyst at Track Research. I want to thank you all for taking the time to join our presentation on infrastructure monitoring as a service. We have a few panelists today from both vendor community and end user community. And really the topic of our conversation is around how organizations actually are looking to achieve benefits from cloud computing and virtualization while being able to manage their IT resources more effectively. You know, if you look at the market, and obviously more and more organizations are understanding the benefits of cloud computing and virtualization. They're not just talking about it more, but they're actually taking some actions, adding them to our IT agendas, and already getting benefits out of it. On the other side, that adds more complexity to managing delivery of IT services from different perspectives, from the quality of end user perspective, also from the security, change management perspective, and which adds more complexity to the management side, but also adds more risk to the business side. And today we will cover some of the key trends in this market. We will also hear some of the experiences that end user organizations that are deploying technologies for monitoring and managing these types of environments are having, and also some of the benefits they're getting out of these deployments. So with that said, I will just take a few minutes and introduce our panelists today. So I will start with Scott Gordon. Scott Gordon is the Vice President of Marketing and Business Development at ExcelOps. Just a brief overview of his background. Scott has 20 years of experience in enterprise systems and information security. Prior to ExcelOps, he was a part of the team at Protego, who were the makers of which probably most of you are familiar with, Mars Security Information Management System. And also, he advocated and contributed to the advancement of industry-leading products spanning from business service management to event correlation, security information management, risk management. And also, just a really brief overview of what ExcelOps does is it actually offers integrated data center and cloud service management software designed to accelerate IT service reliability and also operational efficiency. They offer two different delivery models, virtual appliance or SaaS, and also they offer capabilities for monitoring data center, network infrastructure, cloud environments, and they provide end-to-end visibility across service, performance, availability, security, and change management. From the end user side, we have two speakers today. We have Pat Evans, who is manager of IT at Unified Port of San Diego. The port manages San Diego Bay and also surrounding public land, which is comprised of two marine terminals handling constant flow of cargo ship and cruise ship arrivals, a major airport, the largest navy of the West Coast, its own cruise ship, 16 parks, and management of over 600 commercial tenants, subtenants within San Diego waterfront. And also from the end user side, we have Richard Navarro. He's director of IT at Jewish Home in San Francisco. As director of IT, Richard leads an IT staff that supports over 900 employees, one data center in a remote site. And the home also has been expanding to address new needs of the market and appropriately growing their IT capacity, having some of the new technologies such as virtualization, multifaceted authentication, VoIP, wireless, and collaboration systems, as well as technologies for automating processes, improving services, and also safeguarding patient records. So with that said, I would like to kick off this presentation with a brief overview of what actually ExcelOps does in this market, and then we'll move into a discussion around some of the key market trends. So with that said, Scott, if you don't mind spending a few minutes going over Excel solutions and the capabilities, that would be great.
That would be great. Thank you, Boyan. So many organizations are seeking to consolidate and optimize resources and gain better oversight of their IT and virtual infrastructure, and many are exploring cloud computing, be it private, SaaS, or hybrid approaches. So what really enterprises are most concerned about is service delivery, service quality, and the means to improve operations. And so we'd like to think, if you think about service assurance, and what affects service reliability, we think of three pillars. You need to have situational awareness and the details concerning performance, availability, and security, as well as the understanding of all the assets and dependencies, changes, events, anomalies, all of these things that can really affect a service. So ExcelOps provides an integrated, as Boyan had said, an integrated data center and cloud service management solution that cross-correlates both physical and virtual infrastructure to provide insight on performance, availability, security, and change management. And it's not just a high-level system. It provides a lot of depth and breadth. The operational details